Hi and welcome, Queens. I am Queen Bubbles. Here we about our crowns and owning our business. Okay, so just bear with me right now, Queens. I know y'all trying to figure out what I'm doing right now. So right now, I'm just preparing this order and we're about to get ready to go deliver it. So I'll be right. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm on my way to go drop off these tables and chairs, and then we have, hold on, not gonna get copyrighted in the background. But anyways, drop the tables and chairs off, and then we have the diapers and wipes to drop off, and then I'll see you there. Alrighty. I'm going in and showing light like Thomas Edison. Thinking about my melanin, ballin' need a letterman jacket. Niggas can't hack it. I'm on a mission, gotta stack it. I done kept a bad bitch, and now we out here living lavish. Ballin' with my team, yeah, we made it through the madness. Mama locked, brother locked, yeah, it make me wanna vanish. And I can't stop now. Nigga at the top now. Got niggas hating, but they gon' win this. They can't fuck round. See you there. The second door. It don't feel like much now, so I just chill up in the whip and then I hold the clutch down. I ain't breaking for shit. We just breaking the whip. I love chillin' with my baby while we smoke through a zit. LeBron James, I grab the Henny and I work on my fit. Like LeBron James, I came back up on them like LeBron James. I saw in the post, bitch, I'm LeBron James. I get the people hope like I'm LeBron James. I was down 3-1 just like LeBron James. I came back up on them like LeBron James. I saw in the post, bitch, I'm LeBron